Yes guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Arpan, and guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can generate $625 per week using membership lock-in funnel, that too selling hostings. Okay, I generally sell Bluehost hosting, so that I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done in your end to make sure you can also generate this type of revenue. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Arpan. I generally create content on making money online with the help of affiliate marketing. And guys, my main objective is to make you earn money online with having a passive income lifestyle. So guys, if you're excited about this video, make sure you drop a like to my video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification so that whenever I come up with a new video, you're going to know about it. So guys, without any delay, let's dig in. So guys, I'm going to show you first my meal which I received from the Bluehost affiliates, which I got paid of rupees 46,000 rupees to 40. And guys, this entire payment was made within a span of 1 week. Okay, my entire work was done for a week and I got paid with the result of that 1 week only. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step what needs to be done in your end, and make sure you follow the entire process to have a same kind of income in your end. Okay, so guys, the first thing, the important thing in this case is I would like to tell you an introductory story about myself, which I used previously to sell the Bluehost hosting, and it didn't work for me. So firstly, I used to do cold callings a lot. Believe me, it was not working for me. I don't know why. It may be my problem, or maybe I don't know, because I was not fond of it by calling random people online, and it didn't work for me. Okay. Then I also tried landing pages and sending traffic to my landing pages. The conversion was not good enough. Maybe, I don't know, at that time maybe I was not good in creating landing pages. I don't know. And the third technique which I used was blogging. Generally, I wrote blogs previously, like Bluehost versus say another hosting provider, and generally send traffic to the blog, and it didn't work for me. So guys, I came up with a new technique which is known as membership lock-in funnel. And guys, I showed you the result. This thing has been working for me, and this is the result of only 7 days. So guys, if you multiply this into 4, that means we can make at least 2 lakh rupees a month using this technique. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything which I have done myself. So let me go to guys, this is the entire process. Okay, this is the funnel. I have divided the entire funnel into 4 stages, I would rather say. So let me explain you. Guys, the first thing you see on the left hand side is the traffic. I use Facebook ads, Google ads, banner ads, network ads, native ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, and also tried messenger bots. So guys, you can add any traffic you feel like over here. These are the traffics which I have used in myself. Not all of them in 7 days. I generally change and switch and all. I generally like to have a stack of traffic working every day. Okay, so what I did over here, I started with Facebook ads. Okay, and I stopped the campaign in 2 days. Okay, then I switched to Google ads, and it has been running still now. And I also tried ad networks and Instagram. I started with 4 channels actually. Then when I was seeing that I'm gaining the ROI, and my ROI is getting 2x, then I switched to other platforms such as Pinterest, messenger bot, and all. Okay, so this is my traffic source, guys. Okay, now I wanted to send the traffic to the course registration page. Okay, I'm going to show you everything, but let me explain the process first. Okay, so I send my traffic to the mini course registration page. So in that page, we have email ID and a button. Okay, when my audience comes there, provides their email ID and clicks on the button, he registers for the course and he goes to the thank you page. In the thank you page, I have autoresponder set up, that is with the help of another company, autoresponder company such as GetResponse. And once a person signs up and goes to the thank you page, he receives an email from my end that thank you for taking this course. And by the way, this mini course which I advertise, it is a free course. Okay, I don't know what other mentors do. I have seen many people just selling the same course at rupees 5,000, 6,000. I don't know why. What I did, I created an entire just a mini version of that course, 100% free. Okay, and I wanted to give that free course to all the people out there. So guys, when people goes to the thank you page, then he will be redirected from the thank you page. There will be a button, a call to action button. When he clicks on the call to action button, he will be redirected to the course welcome page. Okay, and from welcome page, there will be an introductory video where I will explain what is the course all about and how he or she needs to go through to get the maximum out of this course. Okay, and there will be another call to action which says say show the modules. When someone clicks on the shows the modules option, he will be sorry, it should not be option. Let me change this to course curriculum. Okay, so guys, people then move from the course welcome page to course curriculum page. In this course curriculum page, I have 4 to 5 modules explaining the entire process, how a person will get most out of my course. And guys, my entire course was made on how to get started with help of digital marketing. Okay, now what happens here is I generally, when people comes to my course welcome page, in this introductory video I tell them importance of digital marketing. Okay, and guys, if you are in need of any bluehost hosting, I will drop down my link in the description below. Make sure you check it out from there only. And guys, now let me show you each and each of these steps how I implemented. Okay, the first thing which I used to do, I have created the opt-in page which I have shown you over here, mini course registration page. This is the mini course registration page which I have created for myself. It says get my free digital marketing crash course, and there will be a placeholder for email ID, and there will be a button which says get my free video course. When someone enters their email ID and clicks on this call to action button, he will be redirected to this thank you page, guys. Okay, in this thank you page I provide a button, okay, which says download now, where I give something as a lead magnet. Guys, just ask yourself why your audience will not take the course from you, because you are giving the entire crash course on digital marketing for free, which other mentors charge money for it. I'm giving this thing entirely for free, as well as a lead magnet for it. Okay, so people generally once people clicks on my ad and sees my landing page, my opt-in page first, like get my free digital marketing crash course, he will obviously put his email ID. I'm not telling that 100% of people will put their email ID, but high conversion rate. Okay, when they put their email ID, and here I am providing them with some value. Okay, by means say that any lead magnet. Okay, then he will be, when they go to their email, and I will also give them a link over there, course link. Okay, when they click on that link in their email, he or she will be redirected to this page, guys. This is course welcome page, okay, which I have showed you over here. So he or she will be redirected to this page where it says welcome to the members area. Guys, this is the membership lock-in funnel. Okay, so firstly I will just welcome them to my entire process with the name of the course which I have given is digital freedom, and here I have 2 call to action buttons. One is welcome video. So when someone clicks on this welcome video, he or she is going to see a video which I have posted myself telling the importance of my course and how he or she can get most out of this course. Okay, and after clicking on the welcome video, when someone clicks on this training modules, he or she will be redirected to this page, guys. Okay, now this is the place where I earn money. Okay, because for this course I have taken no money. I'm giving this entire course for free. Now guys, this is the place where I generate revenue. I'm going to show you how. So guys, in the module 1, I generally tell people what is domain name, what is hosting, and the best place to get hosting. Guys, here I explain everything, okay, in details, like why it is important to have hosting and domain, and why it is necessary to have a website. Okay, and here in this, in the module 1 and in this lesson, best place to get hosting. Here I tell people that since you are into digital marketing, you need your website and you need a hosting to buy, right? Since you need a hosting to buy, why you should go out there to their official website and buy hosting? Make sure you buy hosting from me. So guys, in this video, I tell them to buy hosting from me, and I provide a link, my affiliate link in the description below as well, in like over here. Okay, like I put a button, it says here download resource. I put a similarly a call to action button which says get hosting from Bluehost, and I explain people why they should get hosting from me. I just explain them that guys, get a hosting from me so that you can get much more than what you can get from others. Okay, why? Because I provide more extended bonuses. Okay, so guys, if someone purchases hosting from me, from from this video, when someone watches this video and purchase hosting from my affiliate link, I give them 3 bonuses. First one, I provide them with my email marketing course. Okay, this is a separate course. This is not included in this course. Okay, I give my email marketing course. I give my 2 hours consultation. Okay, that is priceless thing. I cannot charge a price for that. It is entirely priceless, where I teach them entire process which I followed from the day one till today. Okay. And the third bonus which I give is daily monitoring. Okay, I just call them for 30 minutes and I make sure that he or she does what I tell him to do on that day, because I just guarantee him the results. Because if he or she follow this entire process, I'm sure he or she will get the result, because I have done it myself only. Okay, so it is a bold promise, but I generally tell them to do what is beneficial for them. It may not be like, if I get the results in 1 month, it's not sure that they will also get the result in 1 month. They can get results in 6 months, but they will get results for sure, because this is the entire business process, guys. Okay, so in this place, I pitch them for hosting. And when they buy hosting, I make affiliate commission, guys. For each sale, I make 5,000 rupees, which is similar to $65, okay, per sale. And in module 2, I explain the importance of WordPress, what is WordPress, how to install WordPress, what are pages, plugins, and all, and basic settings, permanents, and what are the basic plugins. I also have my own plugin, which I also give them for free as a free bonus, which is a theme plugin actually. And then I tell them importance about page builder and the best page builder, guys. Okay. And guys, in this video, best page builder, I again teach to them, like, guys, you need a page builder, okay, to create landing pages. And I also tell them the importance of having a landing pages. Okay. So here I pitch them not email marketing, sorry. Here I pitch them a landing page creator software like ClickFunnels or maybe GroupFunnels, okay, or Builderall, okay. So here in this membership lock-in funnel, I showed you that I have two ways to earn money. One is using the Bluehost affiliate link. Another is using my ClickFunnels affiliate link in this case, okay. And then when I go down in module 3, I explain people like how to plan their website, okay. First, I showed them like what are the important things they need to create a website, and then how to plan a website. And the next thing is I tell them about the executing the page, how to create those pages which I have created for myself, and then mapping content. And guys, in the module 4, make money by making others' website. Okay, this is the priceless, guys. This is the entire thing I used to do when I got started. Okay, I tell them about consulting, proposals, how they need to make proposals in order to get the clients quick, then how to find clients, how to close those deals. Okay, this is very important. And lastly, how to deliver this project. Okay, and guys, only this module will cost you at least $100 out there. Okay, because this module is very essential. And guys, here I also tell them like how to close a deal. Believe me, it's very easy, not difficult compared to cold callings. Okay, here I tell them like entire thing which I did for myself. Okay, and while delivering the project, if you follow this technique, I'm 100% sure that you will have more than 5 to 6 clients a month. Okay, for developing websites. Okay, and if you find that you have no time actually in your hand to work for 6 clients at a time, then in the last video tell them how to deliver the project. Okay, I mean deliver the responsibility, how it should be done, so that if you will have your time in your hand and you're going to pay less amount of money for the work and you're going to get high returns on that work. Okay guys, so guys, this is the entire membership lock-in funnel I followed to generate this kind of money using Bluehost affiliate link. Okay, and guys, let me tell you, if you're in need of any hosting solution from Bluehost, make sure you check my description below, and if you get the hosting from my link, I'm going to provide you this entire course. Okay, you do not have to make your own videos. I have already created this course. I will give you this entire course. You can use this course to do the entire thing I told you just right now. You just need to send traffic to this course and it will convert automatically, guys. Believe me, because I have found many people have fear or maybe shy to come in front of videos and teach people. So guys, I have created this done for you thing for you. So guys, I have decided if anyone wants to purchase hosting from my affiliate link, which I have provided in the description below, I will give this entire course as a bonus to you. So guys, that's all. This is the case study video which I used to generate 46,240 rupees in a span of a week. So I hope you just follow this entire process. I expect to see a similar result in your end as well. So guys, that's all in today's video. I hope you like the content. Make sure to check out my channel because I will be posting regular stuffs related to affiliate marketing and making money online. And guys, that's all. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.